guys, and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you like the camera angle, because I bought a new camera mount that sticks to the windscreen, and I thought it'd be a little bit more fun just having you angled over there while I'm driving and chatting away. So hopefully you like, but that's not what this video is about. You've probably seen what this video is about via the thumbnail, but I fancy doing something a little bit different. I fancy not just doing the bog standard, let's fix something, let's replace something, etc. Let's try and have a little bit more fun. So I need to go and get some fuel, because apparently I'm on my ass, so that needs to be done. And I also need to go get some essentials, so let's go get that, and then we'll have a little bit more of a chat afterwards. So see you in a sec. Well, that was expensive.
Scan your club card.
Well, there's that done. Just as you've seen, when I put too much fuel in, it's not too much fuel, it's just I hate spending money, and bought myself some essentials. The last few days have been fun, let's say. Where are we looking now? Yesterday? No, day before yesterday. Went to go take my boy to school. Literally, as I went to go get into the van, looked at the passenger rear wheel and flat as a pancake. Probably got a picture on the screen somewhere. So that was fun. I had to go buy myself a third tyre this month. So that was perfect. And then used the van as a ladder so I could cut the bush back. Always fun to be unsafe using a hedge trimmer thing, electric hedge trimmer, while standing on the roof of a van. That was always good fun. And today, me and my son went and got our hairs cut, because we needed our hairs cut. So went and got that done, and then just before that, I went and got my booster jab, my third one I think it is. I've been putting it off and putting it on. The first time I was supposed to get it done was when this thing broke down just before Christmas and left me stranded, so I couldn't even get there. The second time I was supposed to have it was, I think I was all full of cold and they wouldn't let me have it because I had a cold, which was perfect. And then this time I didn't really have a good enough excuse. I had it done, what's time now? 6 o'clock. I had that thing done, I think it was 9:30. My arm feels dead and I feel like I've got a weird bulge. But that's done. At least I'm government friendly with these COVID crap. But never mind, it's not what we're talking about. I'll probably turn that mount round, have you facing out the front, and then chuck a bit of B-roll in, and then we can get into the main meat and potatoes of this video. So let's get into it. So I'm now up here. This is now where I'm going to be spending the night. If you haven't already figured out from the title and everything else, I'm now wild camping for the night. I've now decided that I want to start wild camping. This is the whole point of doing what I'm doing, and I actually want to start wild camping. And the only way to know if I'm going to like wild camping is if I do it. So here I am. I know there's a load of bits and bobs I'm going to need to make this a lot more of an enjoyable situation, but I'm not going to know that until I actually start doing it, and then I can figure out what I actually need over stuff I think I need. So, yeah, wild camping. This place I've actually come to is, I think, it's actually on that park for a night thing. If it is, I'll put it up on the screen now. But it's somewhere I have actually had to pass due to work, and I seen it and thought, yeah, why not give it a try? It is peaceful up here. Really, you're not going to see a lot. I will take you outside and we'll have a little look about, but you'll see more in the morning. But I'm going to go outside. I have drawn the curtains. These are the best I've come up with for the curtains. I don't actually know how well these work. Do actually need to do something with this door and make it match, but I have actually drawn them. I am going to go outside in a second and have a little look and see how much light actually goes through these to see if I'm illuminating everything. I will show you the best of what I can. Oh, I have got, well, I haven't actually got a curtain for the front, but I do actually have a solution for that. And I want to do a little bit of cooking, so I'm hungry. And what's wild camping without cooking? Let's go outside and have a little look. You guys can literally just see what I'm aiming this at, which is, but yeah, there's a van. It's a bit of a sort of a hard stand. It does look like people have been up here and just dumping their rubbish, which is ever so slightly annoying, because there's actually a bin right there, like literally right there. But a little bit of a scenery, you can't really see a lot. Just unfortunately, people are messy fuckers. At some point I will get some actual blackout stuff so I can actually be in here and actually stealth camp somewhere not on the top of a mountain. For the front, I have got a curtain. Same curtain that's on the sides that I've cut. And I got me a stapler. So I reposition you here. We're going to staple this up. Sort of works. Do need to sort of tuck it in up there a little bit better behind the driver's seat. Kind of works. I want a cup of tea. Now I don't know if you guys can remember, but I got stuck and I had to use my heaters, well, the camping stove, as a heater, but I ran out of gas. So they need to go in the bin. Just hope that I remembered to pack more. Yeah, boy. So, how am I going to do this? Can't use the back because I've got all my stuff up there. I do, and I have been thinking about it, this area here is completely wasted. Because what I'm thinking of doing is putting like a shelf up there so I can like store stuff. As you can see, I just use it as dumping. Ignore that, that doesn't go there. But I normally just put crap there. So if I put a shelf up there, something below, something in front, and then put like a folding door on the front. So when I want to get into it, I pull the whole thing up, can get into it from underneath. Or I got like a little leg that can come out and then it will turn into like a table. So you can just imagine that. Comes up and then that's my table. Door, table. But for now, I've got this sketchy bit of wood. That angle looks mad on the camera. It's not that bad. I've got a piece of wood that does fit into a couple of little slots. And that can stay on there. While warming up my water for a cup of tea. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to make me some food. While I'm waiting, might as well just put a little bit of YouTube on. And chill out with some YouTube. Sorry if this is like weird camera angles and whatnot. This is like the first time I've done this. I'm sort of learning as I go. So bear with me. The more I do it, the more this will get more betterer. But yeah, I'm going to crack the door open because obviously I've got this on. I don't really want to get carbon monoxide. I need a carbon monoxide reader. So yeah. Is that already boiling? My cup of tea's nearly ready. Right, I'm going to get this done and then we're going to get on with cooking. So see you in a sec. Didn't really think about bringing a bin, did I? Well done me. So, as you've seen, I did go shopping. We's have an omelette. Did I remember to bring it? I hope so, because else this ain't gonna work. Fry light. One. Let's have a 4-egg omelette. Hopefully you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Fantastic. I don't own scissors. Scissors. Table, scissors. Oh, and a bin. Got a last bit of food over, maybe a little bit burnt, but all in all, not bad. All on a cheap camping stove. In a van up a mountain. So, I haven't got any plates. So I'm eating out of a pan. Have I got a fork? Thought this through really well, didn't I? Well, that's not too bad. All sorted out. Camping stove's down there cooling down. It's not that hot anyway. Cup of tea there. Got my food. Nice bit of YouTube. I'm going to sit and chill out. This is quite nice. I'm enjoying this. So, see you in a minute.
I mean, I need a haircut. People can tell me.
Well, I've got nowhere to wash up. I think what I need to do is get me a little bin. Make that a table. What else did I say? Bin, a table. I'm sure I put it up on the screen by now, making a little tally of what I need. But I also need somewhere to put dirty stuff, because I have nowhere to put it. Well, I did completely forget. I have actually got this chocolate sundae. So I'm going to eat that. Got me a drink. Have a little play on Instagram. Take my contact lenses out. I have actually got changed a little bit as well. Just get myself a bit more comfy. It's not that cold. I've just had all the doors open just to air it out. So there's a bit of a whiff of omelette. But I think I'm just going to chill out for a bit now. Yeah. It is currently, as we speak, yep, 3 degrees. It does say it's going to go down to -1. But at the minute, it's not that cold. I'm not going to put a diesel heater on. Don't really need it. I am going to be getting tucked up and having a bit of a sleep in a minute. But yeah, I definitely want to get a few more of these under my belt and get a little bit more comfortable with it. And then I want to do sort of like challenges sort of thing. And just sort of like go camping like a supermarket car park, or on not a busy street, but sort of like a residential street, and just start doing it a bit more, see how stealthily I can get. I have been watching like Will's Whereabouts. He's based in the UK. Really good content. I love watching this channel. He's given me a lot of motivation to actually do this. And there's another channel I've got massively into, and that's Mav. Just write it into either of them, just write it in the search bar after watching this video, obviously, and watch a few of theirs. Fantastic view, and I love watching them guys. And that's what's gave me the inspiration to do this. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling, so I feel like I'm just rambling away. I'm gonna get that chocolate sundae yet and just sort of chill out for a little bit, and yeah, I'll catch up with you in a sec. Well, there's that done. Just eating my chocolate sundae, I say just a while ago, and just sat here chilling out watching some YouTube, and just about gonna get myself ready for bed. Just had a car just drive all the way up. You'll see in the morning what I mean about this road. There's like no way up or down. Like you literally come here for no reason. And this car drove all the way up, parked next to me, sat there for about 3-4 minutes, and then drove off and drove up the top, which I thought was a bit weird, but I'm not doing anything wrong. All the doors are locked, I think. Should really check that. No, they were not locked, but they are locked now. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my duvet, get all comfy, get my head down. I think that's the plan. Had a little play on Instagram, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna turn the lights out, try and get a little bit of sleep. I mean, it is currently like, well, all but 11 o'clock, all but. So yeah, try and get a bit of sleep, try and get up and see the sunrise. I think I should get a good sunrise from around there. As you'll see in the morning, it's quite a big open space, so that should be quite good. But I'm going to get myself down, get my bed in, out, get some sleep. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the morning. And good morning, everyone. I have been awake for a while, about 15 minutes. It's very cold, but I wasn't too bad. I think I'm gonna have a bit of a tidy up and make myself a nice cup of coffee. And I want to show you the outside. I don't quite know how much about I showed last night, but I did wake up about 4 o'clock and it was like -1 or -2. It was freezing. So I did jam a diesel heater on for about an hour, but I did forget that the diesel pump was literally just down there on the floor and it was very loud, so I had to turn that off because I can't listen to tick, 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 tick right next to my head all night. So someone else to put up on the little tally chart: relocate fuel pump for diesel heater. But other than that, it was quite nice. And this is what I've woken up to. That car hasn't been there long. Look at this. Beautiful. Still got the moon. The sun's coming up. Thought I heard cows. I'm going to go around and pick some of this rubbish up in a little minute. I've got the van just trying to defrost itself. Well, I've done a little bit of tidying up. Definitely got better than it was. Which I don't understand, there's a bin right there. Stop being lazy. I will pick that piece up. But I've done my little bit. I've got rid of my rubbish as well. I'm just going to leave the van running for a bit, just to try and defrost the windscreen. And also get a couple of pictures for Instagram. I'm going to do that, get myself sorted, and I'll pick this back up in a minute once the van's a little bit warmer and I can turn it off, I guess. So see you in a sec. Well, there's that done. I made my coffee. There are people parked next to me now, and there's just people everywhere. It seems like it's got quite busy, so I sort of put the camera away, so I don't really think people want me filming them. But I have made my morning coffee. I do have some of these to eat. I'm going to sit here, eat this, and get myself back. So I got stuff I need to get done today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video and have enjoyed it being something a little bit different for a change. If you have, please give it a massive thumbs up and let me know, because if you guys like seeing this type of thing, I will do it a little bit more often. But I enjoyed it. Definitely enjoyed waking up to a scenery like this. But anyway, enough from me. I'm going to get myself off and continue with my day. Hopefully you guys are all well and safe. But as always, thank you very much for watching my dumbass. Thank you very much for the support. I'm genuinely honoured. And until the next video, take it easy.